Good evening, class 4. Welcome in this session. Today we will do question answers of chapter number 2, that is classification of computers. Okay, children. Now, first question is pick the correct answer. Question number 1. The computer that gives an approximate result after comparison is options are digital computer, microcomputer, and analog computer. And the correct answer is analog computer. Next, the computer that works on the principle of binary mathematics is hybrid, digital, and analog. Binary mathematics means the computer which works on zeros and ones. The correct answer is digital computer. Third question, example of mobile device, desktop, mainframe, and third option is smartphone. We all know the example of mobile device is smartphone. Next question, a notebook computer is also called smartphone, tablet PC, and third option is laptop, and the correct answer is laptop. The electronic version of any printed book is called e-book. Next question, fill in the blanks. First question is in dash computer all calculations are represented as zeros and one. The same question we had seen in tick the correct answer, and the correct answer is digital computer. Next question, dash computers are combination of both analog and digital. Hybrid computers are the combination of both analog and digital computer. As we know, the hybrid computer contains the properties of both analog and digital computer. Next question, microcomputers are also called personal computers. Because why these computers are called personal computer? Because this computer can fit on your table or desk, and you can use it personally. Next question, the first supercomputer was Cray 1. Next question, Dash is a mobile device designed to worn on wrist. Wrist पे पहनने के लिए कौन सा डिवाइस है? That is smartwatch. Good. Let's review all the answers. First is digital, second hybrid, third personal computers, fourth Cray 1, and fifth is smartwatch. Next question is give one example of each. First is analog computer. An example of analog computer is voltmeter. There are other many options in your book. You can write any one of them. Next is digital computer. Example of digital computer is microcomputer. Next is hybrid computer. An example of hybrid computer is ECG machine. Next is supercomputer. An example of supercomputer is Cray 1. Next question, write T for true and F for false statements. First statement is mobile computers are the largest computer. No, it is false statement. Next question, desktop computers can be carried around conveniently. False, because desktop computers are fixed on a desk. It is difficult to carry them from one place to another place. Next question, handheld computer is a small device that fit on your hand. Yes, true. For example, your mobile phone. Next, supercomputers are used in schools and offices. No, it is false. Supercomputers are used for scientific research. Next question, many users can work simultaneously on a mainframe computer. No, it is also a false statement. Next is match the following. Column A. In column A, there are name of some devices, and column B, the properties of these devices or information related to these devices. First is desktop computer. Yes, desktop computer. The correct answer is placed on a table or a desk. Second is tablet PC. Tablet PC has a touch screen. Third is ebook. Ebook is also called electronic book. Next is supercomputer. The fastest computer ever made is called supercomputer. Supercomputer is the fastest computer ever made. Next, hybrid computer. Hybrid computer is the combination of both analog and digital computer. Next, mainframe computer. The mainframe computer developed by IBM. Now, answer the following questions. First question is, name the computers classified on the basis of their sizes. The answer is supercomputer, mainframe computer, mini computer, microcomputer, and mobile device. Question number 2 is write a short note on analog computer and e-book reader. Now we are writing answer for analog computer. It takes different inputs and gives an approximate result after comparison. It works on the principle of analogous data. E-book reader. E-book reader. An e-book reader is a handheld device that is used primarily for reading e-books, which are electronic version of printed books. Next question is, what do you mean by microcomputers? Give one example. A microcomputer is often called a personal computer. The most important part of a microcomputer is microprocessor. It is designed to be used by a single person. Desktop computer is an example of microcomputer. Next question is write short note on mobile devices. Mobile devices is used to store data permanently on memory inside it. The size of mobile devices are very small. Tablet PC, smartphones, e-book readers and smartwatches are the various types of mobile devices. Last question is application based question. And the question is you are going to an adventure trip organized by your school. Which device do you think you should carry that would give you the convenience to use and would serve a variety of purposes? And the correct answer is smartphone. Okay children, these are the question answers of chapter 2. I hope you enjoyed this session. Do question answers in your book only and learn all the question answers. God bless you all.